Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This vehicle for sale comes in a black exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist. Do have heated seats, both driver and passenger, and memory seats here on the driver's side. Got seat controls, door controls, driver's seat with lumbar support, steering wheel. Take a look at our rear seats next. We do have this accent trim here throughout the vehicle, kind of a dark wood grain. And we also have the premium Burmester sound system upgrade. Rear seats. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Come around to the back, we have our GLC 300, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC badging, and a power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. And let's go ahead and hop inside. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 3,285. Do have a push button ignition. And here we have our Mercedes-Benz touchscreen display. Currently showing radio. Also adjust the ambient lighting here within the vehicle. And a bunch of other features there as well. Control it with the touchscreen as you just saw. There's also this command module down here below. You can also make adjustments on the screen. We also have climate control here. Our backup camera. And shifter. Now, if you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.